Do you find yourself shackled by an irrational fear that's been dictating your life? Phobias, these unwelcome guests, can truly cast a shadow on our life's vibrant canvas. Now, what if it was suggested that there is a way to break free from these chains of fear and embrace life with an unflinching spirit? This isn't merely wishful thinking. It can be your new reality. Phobias often sprout from an array of sources: anxiety, innocuous memories, or even the influence of loved ones. Occasionally, our subconscious might get a tad overzealous, tagging things as hazardous when in truth they pose no real threat to our existence. It's akin to sounding the fire alarm for a mere spark. However, there exists a solution that empowers you to vanquish your phobias and stride into a future devoid of fear. With the Fast Phobia Cure method, the aim is to collaborate with you, to retrain your subconscious and assist it in unlearning the fear response. The start of your journey towards a life free of phobias is closer than you think. In just a couple of sessions, you could bid farewell to your phobia, with no fear of it rearing its ugly head again. Picture yourself soaring to new heights without the crutch of sedatives, relishing the beauty of nature without the dread of bugs and spiders, or confronting medical procedures without a shiver of fear. Don't allow phobias to be the puppet masters of your life. Reach out today and embark on this thrilling journey towards a life free of phobias. Your dreams are patiently waiting, and the goal is to help you realize them. Stay defiant in the face of fear and take that first stride towards a brighter future. Warm regards.